Presido Buhari don't receive another award for him fight against corruption. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don't talk say even though same administration they come to an end, him go continue to fight corruption and uphold good governance. Presido talk this one when he received the award of Grand Ombudsman of the Federal Republic of Nigeria from the Public Complaint Commission. This award they come sake of Presido's efforts to achieve corrupt-free society and pursue peace for Nigeria. Presido Buhari can talk same government could continue to fight for the poor for the society and promise free and fair elections for 2023.
I argue to use your privileged position to protect the interests of the downtrodden and sensitize the citizenry on their rights and obligations, particularly the need to ensure a free, fair, and credible election and a smooth democratic transition and transfer of power 2023.
On top the Public Complaint Commission, Presido Buhari talks say,
I want to assure you that the Commission will be considered as the agency where the whistleblowing policy will be domiciled given your widespread network of offices and the fact that your mandate on referral of complaints with criminal content to appropriate law enforcement agencies made your commission the best suited agency. This fits into the administration policies of restoring transparency, accountability, and zero tolerance for corruption and all forms of administrative injustice.
Honorable Abimbola Ayo Yusuf, when be the Chief Commissioner Public Complaint Commission, talk say to achieve corruption in Nigeria, the commission get a bonga role to play.
Mr. President, we acknowledge the high moral and ethical standards expected of us in the performance of the quasi-judicial duties of the office of the Ombudsman. We realize that when we excel in bringing to the barest minimum all forms of administrative misconduct in the public and private sectors of the economy, corruption itself would have been removed from the roots.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make you remember, say your PVC have your power, not say I'm giving a politician an election day.